abuse, intimidating a witness, 2 counts. A plea of not guilty will be entered. How much money did you post to be released?
We surrendered yesterday. It posted $40.
There is an additional request, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, $40.
Okay, Bridgewater State University into allegations of an individual by the name of Kyle Laughlin that he had inappropriate contact with minor children located at the center, which was located at Bridgewater State University. Throughout the course of that investigation into Mr. Laughlin, officers learned that this director, Mr. Ritacco, had received information regarding those allegations well before the police were involved. They spoke with one teacher who indicated that she had reported to the director, this defendant, in early March that teacher had concerns about Mr. Laughlin's behavior with the children.
Who is the director?
She is the director, yes.
So it was reported.
Mr. Laughlin at that point. There was another teacher who spoke with this defendant regarding some concerns later in March, regarding some concerns about Mr. Laughlin rubbing the upper thigh area of one of the minor children at the center. That was brought to Ms. Ritacco's attention as well, at which time Ms. Ritacco indicated that she would, again, keep an eye on Mr. Laughlin and suggested to the teachers that they keep Mr. Laughlin busy and that Mr. Laughlin was not to be alone with the children. By the teacher to the concerns reported to the director. Another teacher reported on March 24th several concerns to the director, and the director specifically told that third teacher that teacher was not to contact DCF, was not to contact the Early Education Commission of Massachusetts, and was not to contact the Bridgewater State Police. That teacher expressed concerns of the fact that a parent had come to her and indicated that the parent had witnessed Mr. Laughlin inappropriately rubbing a child at the center, and that parent had also come forward and indicated that her own child had made statements about Mr. Laughlin inappropriately touching that child. The teacher reported all of these to the director, this defendant, and again was instructed not to contact anybody. This instructor specifically said that she would handle the matter and only she would handle the matter. The teacher was at the EDC and not to contact the Bridgewater State Police. Throughout the course of the investigation, ultimately, Ms. Ritacco, this defendant, the director, does contact the police. She contacts the chief of police several days later. She makes contact approximately March 28th. She indicates at that point to the police that she didn't feel that the children were in any danger since as they're executing the search warrant, that she has suitcases out on her bed and appears to be in the midst of packing. Officers execute the search warrant. They retrieve several electronics. They are currently in the process of obtaining a proper search warrant to get access into those electronics. Officers apply for...
From a teacher was that this perpetrator, Laughlin, who was a student in this program, was...
I thought he was a teacher or
he's some sort of a...
He's not a student.
Yes, he is a student. He's some sort of a...
This is young little children.
They are little children, Your Honor.
He may be a student.
Direct supervisor. In making Salvaggio aware of these 2 complaints, one of the kid following a student around or paying too much attention, and the other touching the back of his cap, she also informs him that the student in question, Laughlin, is legally blind.
Maybe what?
Tactile. A $2 word, Judge, but it's the one used by the Salvaggio.
What's the spelling of that? T-A-C?
T-A-C-T-I-L-E. I think it means touching. Officer screaming at her for going to beat her over his head. Presumably, the matter of sexual abuse is reported to the vice president of the university, who's about in 15 minutes to have dinner with the president. You would think that matter would be discussed. So the police are pounding on doors, pounding on sliders. The is 3.5 years old. She's in tears.